Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the Coremetrics integration with WebSphere Commerce. I'm going to show you how Coremetrics reporting is integrated in with the various locations in the Management Center tooling, and I'm also going to briefly explain how things like intelligent offer and product recommendation can be integrated into your website. So here we are in the Management Center, which is the business user tooling for marketing people. And you can come in and look at how Coremetrics is integrated by clicking on some, context menus or toolbar actions. So the very first integration I'm going to show you right here is just simply launching the Coremetrics dashboard. So right from the tooling, I don't have to leave this tooling. Yes, it does launch another window, but it launches you right into the Commerce Overview report, and you can see the report I have set up here. I show a sales heat map, session purchase funnel, and then top changing product categories. So that's the first integration. And then you also have these integrations on the different types of things, like a campaign report, an e-marketing spot report. So if I click this, that'll navigate right down into the report for the e-spots, which are the different spots on the website and how they're performing against each other. So if I come in here and I want to compare, for instance, these top spots, and let me do last quarter, and I'll do a chart, and there you go. So this is clicks as an example, and you can see obviously the home store logo and cat entries, and let me click that. Have a lot of clicks, but we can also show it by sales as an example. So this shows what the click-through revenue was for those particular spots. And once again, here is a list of all the different out-of-the-box reports that were designed specifically for WebSphere Commerce. And we'll be launching into a couple of those in a second. You can also do it on your web activities. So, web activities and activities in general are the rules that tell the e-commerce system what content to show on a particular area within the site, whether it's a promotion, an offer, catalogs, catalog entries, catalog categories, etc. We can also bring up a report there to show the full campaign list. Then we can also switch over to catalogs, and we can view a product categories by category report. So this is another report that comes out of the box that you can use to compare, how categories are doing against other categories, as an example. So if I come in and I pick, for instance, the last quarter, you can see here we've collected some information on electronics, apparel, and home furnishing. And I can even come in here and pick subcategories. So if I want to look at how these subcategories are working against each other, I can come in and see which one has the most items sold. I could do item sales. I could do buying sessions versus viewing sessions. So you hear about all of those metrics around people are just simply browsing and not actually shopping. You can go ahead and see which categories have more browsers versus shoppers, as an example. So this is just a basic high-level overview of WebSphere Commerce and Coremetrics integration. And this is one of my favorite reports that I like to show off is abandoned items. So you can actually list by product, as an example, which ones, how many have been abandoned, and how many sales were lost on particular products. So you might want to do a cross comparison. Are they getting this on other sites? eBay, Amazon, etc. So this is also a very good report that ties directly into your e-com performance. I'm now going to give you a little teaser for my next video. And if I come into this particular web activity, I'm going to disable it. You'll notice that there is a display intelligent offer recommendation action for web activities. So for instance, on this eSpot, which is the home intelligent offer eSpot, I want to go ahead and have this be filled in by product recommendations. So I just simply specify the Coremetrics zone IDs that I want to help fill this particular area on the website with product recommendations. And like I said, we're going to get more into that in the next video, but I just want to go ahead and give you a little teaser.